It was Donald Trump's biggest political moment in the spotlight so far, and Trump was eager to seize it.
Together, we will lead our party back to the White House, and we will lead our country back to safety, prosperity, and peace. We will be a country of generosity and warmth, but we will also be a country of law and order.
With his family looking on and thousands of excited Republicans in the convention hall, Trump sought to foster party unity after a sometimes fractious convention. And he also went after his Democratic opponent, former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton.
After 15 years of wars in the Middle East, after trillions of dollars spent and thousands of lives lost, the situation is worse than it has ever been before. This is the legacy of Hillary Clinton: death, destruction, terrorism, and weakness.
At one point, Trump was interrupted by a demonstrator.
How great are our police, and how great is Cleveland?
And later, he vowed to get tough on crime.
In this race for the White House, I am the law and order candidate.
Trump was introduced by his daughter, Ivanka, who spoke about her father's softer side.
My father not only has the strength and ability necessary to be our next president, but also the kindness and compassion that will enable him to be the leader that this country needs.
Trump repeated his vow to build a border wall with Mexico, negotiate tougher trade deals, and defeat the Islamic State group. And he closed his remarks with a now familiar campaign promise.
To all Americans tonight, in all of our cities and in all of our towns, I make this promise. We will make America strong again. We will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again.
Hey, ho, ho.
Outside the convention hall, protests continued for a fourth day, but were contained by a large police presence. The political focus now shifts to Hillary Clinton and the Democrats, who hold their convention next week in Philadelphia. Clinton supporters issued a new ad featuring past comments from Trump praising Clinton.
Hillary Clinton, I think, is a terrific woman. She really works hard, and I think she does a good job.
With the Republican convention in Cleveland now history, Donald Trump hopes to write at least one more chapter in his political story come November. Jim Malone, VOA News, at the Republican National Convention in Cleveland.